So these little Barracuda vacuums, like I said, don't take a lot of pressure or suction, vacuum, whatever, to get moving. Normally, a lot of times it won't work if you have the plug out for the main drain. Doesn't need that due to the vac mate. But now we can adjust it up, get some skimmer action going. And that guy's still chugging along pretty good. And the main drain sucks. Pump sounds a lot better. Old broken union so the pool guy can see his new part that failed versus the old pump that's working still. Filter's still good, not leaking. Decent pressure. You have a nice